Need to unwind? Try some relaxing drawing called Zentangle. Here's just a few techniques. Take your ink pen and draw a quadrant on your paper. In one of the quadrants, draw out a unique square. It does not have to be perfect. Divide up your square with wavy lines using a pencil. Where the lines intersect, take your ink pen and draw little dots. Ink over the pencil. Squiggle back and forth through the line, making sure you intersect at each of the points. Continue on all the lines. Continue the same thing again, building on the design. This drawing is not necessarily a Zentangle pattern, but it can be used in Zentangle with any design. It's basically just a relaxing technique. Nothing perfect, just draw some lines, and hopefully you're not going to be too hard on yourself because each piece is going to look a little different. So try to have fun with it and just relax. Unwind your mind. Keep building outside each line until you decide that your design is full enough. When your design seems full enough, add one more layer of a wavy line around each edge. In all the blank spaces, make tiny little circles to fill in the gaps. Next, add some shading with your pencil. Moving on to the next design, in one of the lower quadrants, draw 2 rows of squares or rectangles. In each of the cubes, draw an offset square with a continuous line spiraling into the middle. Add some shading. There you go, a couple new drawing techniques to practice. Once you've gotten comfortable drawing these, pretty soon you realize your mind really is unwinding. Have fun!